Hey everybody, it is late at night, going on 2 o'clock, April 5th, 2015. Here we're looking at this Timex alarm clock. You're thinking, why are you shooting a video of your alarm clock? I just want to show you guys a big flaw about this thing. This is a Timex. I have no idea the actual model. T301B. See, there's a manufacturing date on it anywhere. I doubt it, but from what I read online, or at least what I looked up online, which by the way, we have some corroded Duracell batteries there that need to be changed. This clock was manufactured around, I want to say 2007. It's a T301B. Let's have a look online right quick. I couldn't find the exact day of manufacture on this thing, but it appears from where I read online, it's from around 2007. 2006, 2007, that time period. This is not the only Timex clock that has this issue. This is one of those auto-setting clocks where you don't have to do a thing to it. You just enter the the time and the year, and it auto-sets itself. Well, as you know, in 2007. In the United States, daylight savings time was changed. Used to be, it was, daylight savings time started, I believe, the first Sunday of April and ended on the last Sunday of October. In 2007, it changed, starting in the fall to ending on the first Sunday of November and starting on the first Sunday of March. However, this clock here, and apparently many other by Timex, are hard-coded with the old daylight savings time changes. Despite, I believe the bill for this change was passed in like 2005. This basically, all these clocks were sold with the old daylight savings time rules in them, and you can't change them. There's no way you can disable the daylight savings time changing on this thing. It just auto sets by itself. All the daylight savings time has actually already been in effect for a month. This clock thinks that it's beginning to start now. So basically, a clock that's supposed to be auto setting, you actually have to change the time on it 4 times a year. This, the first Sunday of March, I had to set it. Had to set it forward an hour for daylight savings time. And now I'm about to have to change it back an hour because it's going to set itself forward again. And later this year, last Sunday of October, it's going to move itself back, and I'm going to move it back another hour forward. And then, when daylight savings time actually ends, I'll have to move it back again. So watch here. It's going to go from 1:59 to 3 o'clock. All I can say, you see, there you go. It thinks daylight savings time has just started, which that is incorrect. So now I'm having to set the time back. Having to set the time back a full hour. Because this piece of crap thinks that daylight savings time still starts on the first Sunday of April, when that's not right. Yep, so there you go. That's one flaw with this clock that will always remain. You cannot update the daylight savings time changes on it. The previous clock I had, you press a button to set daylight savings time on or off.
Cube Computer Company.